Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we'll see how to disable internet access on Windows 11. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. Okay, so my computer is connected to an internet. Okay, so you can check it. I'll type hi over here. You can see I'm getting a web results. Okay, you can click on this Wi-Fi. I'm connected to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, as you can see, it is connected. If I want to disable an internet connection, you can click on Windows. Okay, over here in search, type network. Okay, connections. You'll get view network connections option. Okay, you can click on double click it. It will open. Let's get it side by side. Okay, so my laptop is only connected to a Wi-Fi network, so that's why it is showing only Wi-Fi option over here. Okay, if your desktop is connected to a LAN network, you will get one more option over here with name called Ethernet. Okay, so what you basically needs to do is that select it, do a right click and click on disable. Okay, so now internet connection has got disabled. You can see the icon has changed. It is showing no internet access, no connection available. Okay, if I just refresh this web browser, see, you can see no internet connection. All right, if I click on the new tab in a search for anything, if I type hi or hello and click enter, see, internet has stopped working. Okay, so what you can do, you can see the Wi-Fi option itself has got disabled. So you need to go to this panel again, do right click and click on enable. Okay, so this will enable the internet connection. So it has got connected to a Wi-Fi network, and now I can do refresh this web browser and it has started working. Okay, so that's how you can enable and disable any internet connection on your Windows machine. So that's all for today. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.